3 brothers, 4 provinces, 5,000 kilometers, 1 incredible country. We're on a quest for the trip of a lifetime. We won't stop until we're out of money. This is Brothers on the Run.
So here's what's up. So we just got up. It's like freaking 7:40. I see that's a lie. We didn't just get up. We got up about 40 minutes ago. We're on our way to Revelstoke now. We're going to be doing a day of whitewater rafting. Should be super epic. It's only to do it like in the morning, and then we'll be doing some mountain biking. Forward, Steve.
Once we got to the river with the name I couldn't pronounce, it became clear this river was very different than the one in Fernie. The foliage was gorgeous. There were glacier streams flowing in from all directions. The water was very cold.
Whew, quite a bit colder than Fernie.
And the strangest thing was, the river was gray. Rafting so far have been exceptional. Our guide even let us take charge for a bit.
Forward.
But at this point in the trip, the river had slowed down, so before we hit the next set of rapids, we decided to go for a swim.
It's not warm in here. No, this is quite a bit colder than Fernie. Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna sneak back in. Same here.
Ralph, do you mind helping to pull them in? Oh, never mind. Here, help me out.
Alright, fam.
After the plunge, we got back in our seats because it was time to go.
Alright, so we got back from whitewater rafting, kind of just grabbed the bikes and all that stuff. Whitewater rafting was super sick. The rapids weren't like as big as Fernie, but the rafts were quite a bit smaller, so we still got like pretty soaked. So it's still a lot of fun. Wasn't super long, but still had a good time. But now what we're doing is we're just leaving the tent site. We're gonna meet up with Nick. We're gonna ride some more trails out here, so it should be fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Windows on. Brakes don't burn off. This is a brake burner.
Yeah, fucking done.
Oh shit, you got a tube?
No.
Fuck.
Like a fucking buckle.
No. Alright.
You don't have anything, eh?
I don't. If I brought my bag, I would.
Alright, let's keep it going.
Rather than walking his bike down the rest of the way, Nick the madman decided to pin it with the last little bit of air he had left in his tire. With 8 kilometers of downhill ahead of us, there was no time for messing around.
That felt good. No freaking way I didn't actually fall over. Oh my god, water. So I've done steeper runs, I've done more technical runs, more drops, you know, way bigger jumps, but that was by far like the scariest run I've ever been on. That was so freaking loose.
Like, look at this.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, this is legit ridiculous. I mean, don't get me wrong. I had a ton of fun, but oh my god, that was scary. Fuck is your rim not like?
I was like this.
Yeah, just way back the entire time. Was it sandy through there?
Yeah, some of those spots, eh? It's like
Legit, there was a couple of times where I knew I was gonna crash. Like I saw it, like there's no way. There's no way I'm gonna do the stop and tie.
After riding Frisbee Mountain, we still had a little bit more energy, so we figured we'd head somewhere else and ride for a little bit longer.
All right, I think this one's what? Safety blanket? Something like that.
Who is calling? Who is that? Call it.
So here's what's up. So we're gonna ride the pipeline coaster, which is super sick before we eat wings. So it's basically this like roller coaster that you get to control like halfway up Revy. You're just gonna push it and just go the entire time. And apparently like you don't even have to like slow down. So I'm gonna try my best to like go full speed, but apparently like it's actually like hard not to. Like it's hard to stay in the thing for one, and it's apparently pretty scary. But I'm super hyped. It's gonna be so much fun. Holy smokes!
I can't.
There's an auto brake at the end.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Well, at the very bottom, you have to brake, or else you're just gonna fucking
Die.
Oh, so okay, so that's the one. That's the one. Sorry.
Or don't they have like
It says like slow down, and you like go through these little things, and it's like fucking brake.
It's like you know,
Fucking
you
brake.
fucking know. Yeah. Okay, so
There's one spot where it goes like over a fucking G-force roll where it,
oh my god.
the
I
type
can't
gets
believe you missed
thicker.
out on this, man.
Okay.
Like kind of puts a little bit of a brake.
Yeah.
I'm actually scared.
Oh man, this is gonna be so much fun.
Oh, wow, this is.
Shit.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready. Are we allowed to drop at the same time? No. Oh, come on. Oh boy. Holy shit. And I go no break. That was good. That wasn't nearly as fast as I thought it'd be. Oh. Yeah. It didn't seem that fast. Whatever. That was fun.
Yeah.
That was super sick.
I was going and I was like, I actually had trouble like pushing forward with my arm. Like, just going, so I occasionally I'll go down and be like, nope, stay forward.
Yeah.
But no, I did. I always pushed
I was like, I was going like, this is really slow. Like it probably got slowing down like the
I know.
whole time.
I know.
Like every time you got to like
way
a,
faster
yeah, like
before.
it felt like it was going way slower than it actually intentional.
Yeah, it was like,
Yeah.
it's like they.
It was fun though. I liked it. There was some good drops near the very top.
Yeah.
No, but if it was going faster, I see where you're coming from going.
Yeah.
Like, oh my god.
I was probably going like at least
There was some over
20% faster.
Yeah. And 20% is a lot.
Today had been spectacular, and to finish it off, we sat down for a couple beers and some hot wings. Couldn't get much better than this. Next time on Brothers on the Run.
1, 2, 3.